In this question, Ramesh buys two books and both of these books cost rupees 410, right? And sells one at a loss of 20% and the other at a gain of 25%. If both the books are sold at the same price, find the cost price of the two books. So let the cost price of book 1 is rupees X and the cost price of book 2 is rupees Y, right? And as given into the question, 410 is the total cost of both the books. So 410 can be written as equal to X plus Y. So for book 1, which is sold at 20% of loss, right, then the sale price will be X minus, that is cost price, minus 20% of the cost price, which is equal to 0.8x. So this is the sale price of book 1. Similarly for book 2, it is sold at a 25% of gain, right? So 25% of gain is made over here. So sale price 2, that is sale price of book 2, is equal to Y, the cost price, plus 25% of the Y, that is the cost price. So which will be coming as 1.25Y. So 1.25Y is the sale price 2. Sale price 2, that means sale price of book 2. So we have sale price 1 and sale price 2 for book 1 and book 2 respectively. Now as given into the question, when sale price 1, that is sale price of both the books, will be equal, that means book 1 and book 2 when sold at the same sale price, then what we can do, we can equate SP1 and SP2. So that's why 0.8x can be equated with equal to 1.25y, which will give you a relation between x and y, which will be giving you x equal to 1.25y by 0.8, and when you replace the decimal, it will be 125 by 100, and into the denominator it will be 8 and another 10 will be inserted into the numerator. So on simplification we get the relation between x and y, and x equal to 125 by 80y. So this is the relation which will be going to use further, right? Because this is a linear equation in two variables with x and y. So earlier we have the equation, that is the cost price of book 1 and cost price of book 2 as equal to 410, and that is equal to x plus y, because CP1 is x and CP2 is y. Just add to write 410 and just replace the value of x as equal to 125 by 80. By using the substitution method, we replace the value of x over here, and then we get a linear equation in one variable where y equal to coming as 2 into 180, which equal to 160. So 160 is the cost price of book 2. Similarly, using the above relation, we get the value of x is equal to 250. So 250 is the cost price of book 1. So 250 and 160 is your answer.